Yeah, in this video we're going to take a look at the theory of logarithms, and I'm going to give you the laws of logarithm. This is the first part of the video. I'm still going to upload another video on uh, questions, questions that will show us how to apply these laws. So let's get started. See, I've written the definition of logarithm here. The logarithm of a positive number n to the base b is defined as the power of b, which is equal to n. What does this mean? It means the logarithm of a number is the power to which the base of the number must be raised, like base b now must be raised to obtain the number again. So this is it. The power to which it must be raised. Definitely this x is the answer will we get for the logarithm of n to the base b. That's the meaning. So laws of logarithm. Let's see. I want to prove the laws of logarithm. Basically, the thing is just that any manipulation we want to do on questions involving logarithm, the laws to be applied are got directly from the laws of indices. Let's see. I've done a video on the laws of indices before, so if you don't really know it or you don't have much deep idea about it, just kindly just kindly check the description, as I've dropped the link to hit there. So let's see. We have log xy base this to give us this. So let's see. From the law 1 of indices, a to the power of m multiplied with a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. So this is law 1. Now I could say, since a to the power of m looks like this, so definitely it will have one value. So let's say the value is x, and that for this is y. So we could obtain m from this, because x is now a to the power of m, and y is now a to the power of n. So we could obtain m from here. Therefore our m will be log x base a, and y, our n will be log y base a. So that's it. So I could just, so definitely I would say x times y now from here equals a to the power of m plus n. Now this xy equals to a to the power of m plus n. So xy is like n, then b raised to the power of x. You see that? So if you compare, we have something like log xy base a equals m plus n. So finally we have something like log xy base a to be, since m is log ax plus log y a. So that's the proof for the first law of logarithm. So let's see the second law. The second law is law 2 is log x over y base a, is log x base a minus log y base a. So that's it. So we could get it from the law of logarithm, indices too. Remember the law that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. So same thing, I could say, let m is x and m is log x base a. Also for this one, a is y, then n is what? Log y base a. So I could just say log, definitely from here we have x divided by y, and that's same thing as x over y equals a to the power of m minus n. So if I compare this to be, let's say it's n, then b to the power of x. If we compare it, we have log x over y base log x over y base a equals to m minus n, and log x over y equals m minus n is log x base a minus log y base a. So that's the proof of the second law of logarithm. So let's see the proof for the third one. We have law 3 now. From the law, that law says log a base a is 1. So let's prove that. From our law from law of indices that a to the power of n, any number raised to the power of n is still that number. Let's compare it to this, to b raised to the power of x equals to n. If we compare it to that, we have it to be log, a to the base a equals 1. So that's just a simple proof to that. So let's see log 4 now. Log 4, that's log 1 base a is 0. Yeah, so that's it. Log 1 base a is 0. Then if we compare from that same law of indices that a to the power of 0 is 1, if we compare to this, we have it to be log 1 base a equals 0. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, then our law 5 is log p to the power of n base a is n log p base a. Yeah, so that's it. So then to prove this, we just remember from our law of indices something like this. We have it to be a to the power of mn. Yeah, so I could just say a to the power of m definitely is something, from bx is n, so it will be something also. So let's say let a to the power of m equals p. Yeah, so if a to the power of m is p, definitely we have p to the power of n. So, or before then, I could just obtain the value of m. So, our m is log p base a. Yeah, something like that. So, we just say p from here raised to the power of n is a to the power of mn. Yeah, so that's it. So, we could just say p, we compare, n is b to the power of x. If we compare this, we have log p to the power of n base a equals mn. Yeah, so that's it. Then we have log p to the power of n a. M is log p base this times n. Yeah, from here, m is this, so I substituted it. So therefore, our log p raised to the power of n base a is n log p base a. Yeah, so these are the laws of logarithm. I hope it has helped. Yeah, if so, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed before and like the video. Also share to as many students as you can share it to. Yeah, thanks for watching.